everyone, I'm so excited to show y'all my Aries leggings and shorts. These are from Seamwork magazine, and I use these for yoga and running. One of my goals with sewing this year was to stock up on some more basic everyday things, and my old set of yoga shorts was in a dire condition, so I decided to sew up a good stock of these. These are in a organic cotton spandex, and I had to double it. That's what I was showing you there, because it was a little more sheer than I would have liked, so we don't want that. So I doubled it. It hasn't really been a problem as far as comfort or fit, and they're nice and opaque now, so that's awesome. I made a set of 3 of these shorts, and I also made the leggings version, and I did these with a power mesh for the little middle contrast panel there that the Aries pattern includes. I love these. They're super cute and comfortable. I did end up changing up the waistband on the shorts version because I wasn't 100% in love with them for the leggings. So instead of a curved waistband with a 1/4 inch elastic at the top, I did a full 1.5 inch elastic with a waistband that just folded over that for all of my shorts. It's a lot more stable and supportive and sturdy when I'm doing a lot of bending and stretching and stuff like that. So I wear either my shorts or these leggings literally every day, every morning to do yoga and work out. So I'm super happy with them, and I hope you enjoyed watching them. Happy sewing, everyone. Bye.